Hello everyone, welcome back to our 30 days spoken English challenge. Congratulations, we have completed 20 days of learning English together. In previous class, we learned how to talk about the past. Today, we are going to learn something exciting, how to talk about the future. Have you ever wanted to say, I'll become a doctor? I'm going to visit Delhi next month. I'll call you tomorrow. If yes, then today's lesson is for you. By the end of this class, you will be able to talk confidently about your plans, dreams, and future actions in English. So let's begin. Using will. We use will for predictions, instant decisions, promises, and future facts. Follow the structure subject plus will plus first form of verb plus object. Like, I'll help you, she will become a teacher, they will come tomorrow, we will win the match. Repeat after me. I will learn English. I will speak confidently. I will achieve my dreams. Excellent. Now, negative sentences follow the structure subject plus will not or won't plus first form of verb. I won't give up. She won't be late. They won't miss the class. Repeat. I won't stop learning English. Very good. Now let's learn how to frame questions using will. Follow the structure will plus subject plus first form of verb and question mark like will you come tomorrow? Will she help us? Will they join the party? Answer yes I will or no I won't. Now let's learn when to use going to. We use going to for plans, intentions, things we have already decided. Follow the structure subject plus either am, is or are plus going to plus first form of verb. I'm going to study tonight. She is going to buy a new phone. We are going to visit Jaipur. Now let's practice daily life examples. I'm going to wake up early tomorrow. I'm going to practice English every day. My brother is going to start a new job. We are going to celebrate Diwali next month. Now let's practice some conversation. Future plans. Ria, what are you going to do this weekend? Aman, I'm going to visit my grandparents. Ria, sounds great. Aman, and what about you, Ria? I'm going to watch a movie. Next conversation, dreams. Teacher, what will you become in the future? Rahul, I'll become an engineer. Priya, I'll become a doctor. Teacher, wonderful. Work hard for your dreams. Now let's learn some future time expressions. Tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, tonight, soon, in the future. Like, I'll call you tomorrow. We are going to travel next month. She will start her job next year. Now speaking practice time. Try to complete these sentences. Tomorrow I'll. Next year I will. I'm going to dash this weekend. In the future I will. Now let's learn useful sentences for daily life. I will never give up. I will practice English every day. I'm going to improve my communication skills. I will make my parents proud. I'm going to achieve my goals. Now let's fix some common mistakes. Don't say I will going to school tomorrow. Say I will go to school tomorrow. Don't say I am going to study. Say this I am going to study. And don't say she will go there. Say she will go there. Now here's a challenge for you. Speak these 5 sentences loudly. I will become successful. I will speak English fluently. I'm going to study hard. I will achieve my dreams. I will never stop learning. Take your homework. Write 5 sentences about your future plans like I will improve my English. I'm going to read one book every month. I will help my family. I will become confident. I am going to achieve my goals. Today's lesson was all about talking about the future. Yesterday we talked about the past. Today we talked about the future. Tomorrow we will learn another exciting topic to make our English even better. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, your future is created by what you do today. See you in day 22 of our 30 days spoken English challenge. Thank you for watching.